If you're getting ready to sell your home, you probably wondered, how much should I actually spend to prepare it? Because on one hand, you want the home to look its best, but on the other hand, you don't want to dump money into upgrades that don't pay off. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to prepare your home for sale without overspending so you can make smart decisions and protect your bottom line. My name is Marquez. I've been in Bay Area real estate since 2007, helping homeowners in areas like Danville, San Ramon, Alamo, and surrounding communities navigate the selling process. And one of the biggest mistakes I see is sellers either over-improving the home and not getting a return, or under-preparing and leaving money on the table. The goal is finding the balance. Think strategy, not renovation. The first thing to understand is this: preparing your home for sale is not about renovating it, it's about positioning it. Buyers don't need perfection, they need confidence. They need to walk in and feel like this home is clean, cared for, and move-in ready. And you can create that feeling without doing a full remodel. Step one, start with what buyers actually notice. Before spending any money, it's important to understand what buyers notice first. Buyers tend to focus on cleanliness, smell, lighting, overall condition. These are emotional triggers. If a home feels clean, bright, and well maintained, buyers immediately feel more comfortable. And here's the good news: improving those areas usually doesn't cost much, but it has a big impact. Step number two, focus on high impact, low cost improvements. If you're going to spend money, focus on changes that give you the most return. Some of the best improvements include fresh interior paint, updated light fixtures, minor repairs, things like door handles, baseboards, small fixes, landscaping cleanup, deep cleaning. These are relatively low cost improvements, but they dramatically improve how the home shows. And when a home shows well, buyers perceive it as more valuable. Step number three, don't over-renovate. One of the biggest mistakes sellers make is over-renovating. They think, if I redo the kitchen, I'll get more money. And sometimes that's true, but often it's not, because renovations take time, costs can increase, and buyers may not love your design choices. In many cases, you won't get a full return on major remodels before selling, especially in today's market where buyers are more focused on value. Step number four, staging is more important than remodeling. This is something a lot of sellers underestimate. Staging can often have a bigger impact than renovation. Why? Because staging helps buyers visualize how the home lives. It highlights space, flow, and functionality, and it creates that emotional connection buyers are looking for. A well-staged home often feels more valuable than an empty or cluttered one, even if the finishes are the same. Step number five, know when to stop. At a certain point, more spending doesn't equal more return, and this is where guidance really matters. The goal is not to create the perfect home. The goal is to create a home that feels like the best option in its price range. Once you reach that point, additional upgrades often don't add meaningful value. In markets like Danville and surrounding areas, buyers are very informed. They've seen updated homes, they've seen a fixer properties, and they know how to compare value. That's why preparation matters. But over-preparation can actually work against you. The homes that perform best are the ones that feel clean, well cared for, and priced appropriately, not necessarily full remodel. So if you're preparing to sell your home, the goal isn't to spend more, it's to spend smarter. Focus on the improvements that create the biggest impact and avoid the ones that don't move the needle. If you're thinking about selling and want a clear plan for what to do and what not to do before you list, I'm always happy to help you map that out. No pressure, just practical advice based on your home and your goals. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe. I share regular insights on the Danville and Bay Area market to help homeowners make smarter decisions when it comes to selling. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.